Hello friends, welcome back to Dairy Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be doing about the continuation of the governor and control topic, mainly governor adjustments. Here we can say what is compensation range. Compensation range means this can be adjusted by changing the fulcrum position on lever between the servo output linkage and compensation transmitter piston. Okay, for the governor adjustment certain terms are there. Compensation range is one of the term. So what is compensation range means? It is a range means it is a particular range. This can be adjusted by changing fulcrum position of lever connection between servo output linkage and compensation transmitter piston. Okay, then compensation rate. This is done by only after compensation range has been set. Compensation rate can be done only after compensation rate can be done only after compensation range has been set. So this is done only in case of sluggish response or excessive hunting or overspeed during initial startup. This okay. The needle valve is opened till the control just became unstable. After it is shut will be 1/4 of the turn. This is compensation rate. Then local speed setting knob. During the normal operation, control of speed setting is done remotely via electric motor mounted on the governor. This local speed setting knob, it is used only in case of failure of remote control system or when local control to test the engine or speed trip. Local speed setting knob means this local speed setting knob is used in case of failure of remote control system or when local control to test engine. Here what we do is turning the knob clockwise. This will change the tension of speeder and increase the speed of engine. Number of turns that speed setting knob has stirred can be seen on speed setting indicator, which has minimum and maximum fuel setting. Okay, then load limiter knob. This will limit fuel and therefore load. It limits stroke of power piston by altering position of the drop lever fulcrum point. This is used only when load on engine is to be limited, as in case of running in after major overhauls. Load limiter knob. Then speed drop knob means it is used to control the speed droop during load sharing operation between generator. Usually it is not adjusted. Then load sharing and necessity of droop. So consider two diesel generator. These are two generators are connected in parallel. So here is the figure. This shows the condition just after synchronization has been done to run the generator in parallel. Okay, at the point X, it is seen that generator 1 takes full load and while generator 2 takes no load at 0%. Here we can say in this figure generator 2 speed frequency control increases so as to take up part of the load. In the figure 227 we can see generator 2 their speed control increases so as to take up part of the load. In figure 2228, once generator 2 has taken up some load, generator 1 will decrease its speed or frequency so as to take up less load. So the frequency generator 1 will now be brought back to 60 Hz. By figure 229, by comparing with 228 and 229, we can conclude that for stable operation, droop is necessary for load sharing between generators. So what we need to understand from is, for a stable operation, droop is necessary for load sharing between generators. So necessity of droop for load sharing is, in order to achieve sharing of load, generator 1 and generator 2, their lane should intersect, as in case of 228. This is only possible in case of droop, that is change in speed of generator during load changes. So this droop or change in speed or frequency of generator is only possible during transient condition of load changes. For isochronous operation, that means both generator 1 and generator 2 share same lane, that means at constant speed of frequency, that is here 60 Hz, there can be no crossing of generator 1 and generator 2 lanes if constant speed is to be maintained, hence sharing of load would not be safe.